Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best audiophile power strip you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many audiophile power strip and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each audiophile power strip, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an audiophile power strip. First, focus on build quality and materials, as high-grade copper or silver conductors and solid casing reduce interference and improve audio performance. Second, check for proper surge protection and filtered outlets that help eliminate electrical noise and protect your expensive audio gear from voltage spikes. Third, ensure the power strip offers consistent power delivery with low resistance connections to maintain signal purity and dynamic range. Fourth, consider the number of outlets you need and spacing between them to fit bulky power plugs easily. Lastly, look for certifications or reviews confirming safety and performance standards before investing. Choosing wisely ensures cleaner sound and longer equipment life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful audio tips.